Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display sale product in WooCommerce grid layout in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using this plugin in Essential Add-ons for Elementor. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to plugin setting and then in elements, WooCommerce element, enable this Woo product grid and then click on save changes. So we are going to display sale product. Now go to edit page. In search widget write Woo product grid. So this is our element, so drag and drop here. Now you see layout, select grid and then you see multiple style, so you can select according to requirement. Column 4, if you want you can enable disable badge. Now you see query, now select and then you see source product, filter by recent product. Now select sale product. So we are going to display sale product. Now you see no post found and then you see order by order and then you see product status. If you want you can exclude category or include product category. If you want you can exclude product. Out of stock disable, on sale yes, product rating disable, product price image. So you can do setting according to requirement. Load mode disable, pagination we are not using. Now go to style. Now you see product and then you see color and typography, add to cart pop-up. So you can set color scheme according to requirement and then click on publish. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.